Ikaw ba, Coach LA, happy ka ba with hindi ko masyado matimpla yung mo ngayon vibe mo ngayon. Please share with us.
To be honest, gato lang talaga ako palagi. Pero,
May poker face na.
yes, I'm very, very happy. Kasi, look at them.
They're
They
tired.
dance. No, they dance. They
Yeah.
dance a very, very difficult style. They do it like from the start. We did vocabs talaga ng Light Fit. And they did it properly. So, dun pa lang, sobrang happy na ako. And dun pa lang, panalo na sila for me.
Wow. Big words.
Coach,
Congrats.
duo, nahirapan po ba kayo? Ano yung challenge nyo this episode? Nahirapan ba kayo?
Sobrang nahirapan ka na siya. Sobrang hirap na hirap. Eme lang siya, eme lang.
Okay.
Hindi, nilalaro ko yung sarili ko.
Oo, kasi
Hindi, from the beginning talaga, alam naman nila yung struggles ko din.
yes.
Especially, wala talaga akong background at all. And even though nag-hip-hop ako, iba kasi yung Light Fit. It's a
Yes.
different genre. Iba yung requirement niya. And ang bilis niya kasi talaga. So, if mawala ka, like, if yung mag-space out ka ng konti, yung mawala ka sa focus,
Hirap mag-catch up.
hindi ka
Hindi
makakasya.
ka makakasya.
So, actually, yesterday the other day nung pa kami, yung parang final na, yung parang run, ganyan. Hindi ko pa siya talaga makuha, like nawawala pa rin ako. So, happy ako that at least, I think we did it.
Oo,
Yes.
naman.
Yeah.
Mare. Ikaw, Josh, nahirapan ka rin ba?
With Live Feet, medyo familiar na ako sa style kasi almost under hip-hop na rin siya and there's elements of Light Feet naman sa hip-hop and breaking and all that. So, parang nahirapan lang kami itapat yung energy na music because yung song is Hataw na by Sir Gary.
Yes.
So,
Ano talaga, hataw talaga.
Oo, hataw talaga. As in, bawal mapagod. And then, on top of the challenge of Light Feet, meron pang props. Tapos nagulat ako na yung props namin pala.
At may acting, actually kinilig nga din kami, lalo na dun sa ending.
Yung ending.
Yeah.
Na parang, ay, ang cute naman nila.
Sabay sa akin.
Wow, again.
Ibang
Iba
klase.
talaga.
Thank you.